Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own push-up bra. So if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to make the push-up bra for my baby sister. She wanted something that will just make her have a cleavage. I'm going to transform this strapless bra into a push-up bra. These are our girls before, and as you can see it doesn't look bad, but she just wanted that sleeve, she wanted that cleavage. This bra is her size, but it looks smaller because she's worn it on top of this top, but it's actually her size. So for her to see that cleavage, she has to push the girls together. The first step I'm going to do is to make holes on the wings of this bra. I'm going to make them on the same place on both sides. So I'm just marking first so that it guides me on where to make the holes. I've marked like an inch apart. Then I'm going to use these scissors to make the holes. You can use any sharp object to make the holes.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions.
Once you're done with the holes, it's time to lace it, and I'm going to use this shoelace. I always prefer shoelace because it easily goes through the holes, but you can use any type of thread. If the lace is too long, you can just cut it.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's
I'm pulling the lace the same way you'd pull the lace on this other bra.
my dreams.
And just like that, guys, and we are done. You have your push-up bra.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can
Small boobs can use this.
You wanted to see your cleavage, now there's your cleavage.
Yeah, here.
You love it.
I love it. Well, small boobs can use this.
Your boobs are not small.
If with small boobs, you know, mine is so big. So
Yours are just medium, they're not big, but you wanted to see the cleavage. No, there goes the cleavage. You love it.
miracles.
That's what you wanted. These are not miracles. This is just like a hack, and it has worked. Because this is what you wanted to see, and boom,
The results.
the results.
Hey! Something to do with boobs and
booty.
She was so impressed with the results because she could see her cleavage. Actually, her girls are not that big, but she was so impressed and just feeling herself. So this hack is for anyone, if you have small boobs, if you have big boobs, especially for if you have small boobs, because it kind of pushes your girls together and just gives you that lift, it gives you that cleavage.
So that was it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Look at my booty. Bye. Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
So thank you for clicking the subscribe button.
Hi guys, welcome back to my sister's YouTube channel. Today she's going to show you how to make the tummy trimmer and the thigh trimmer. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you.
So I'm going to show you how to make this tummy and thigh trimmer, just in case you can't buy it, just in case you can't afford it, so you can make it at home yourself. And then it has this rubber inside that makes you sweat when you put it on, when you're working out or when you're just chilling. I'll put an Amazon link for this product in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. You can also get it from Alibaba or AliExpress. I know some celebrities who sell this product at very high prices. So guys, just make yours at home. So what it does, it reduces the size of your tummy by, like, it makes you sweat, and the more you sweat, the more your tummy inches reduces. So when it comes to my thighs, I wouldn't want to reduce the size of my thighs, guys. I love big thighs, so I wouldn't want to reduce it, but just I love how comfortable it is, and then it lifts your butt as well. So like, it makes you sweat around your tummy, your thighs, and then lifts your butt. I wore it on my previous workout video, and I really loved how it made me sweat. So guys, there's a previous video I shared with you on how to make a sweat belt. This is the sweat belt that I made. So it really works the same as this tummy trimmer that I bought. So you can just like make this tummy trimmer as well at home, and you still work the same way as the tummy trimmer that I bought. So in today's tutorial is just going to be the same DIY, but now for the thighs, because I just use the same product. So the first thing you're going to need is a leather fabric, because that is going to make you sweat. Now it's going to act like the rubber that they used to make the tummy trimmer. You also need an elastic band. I'll put other details for all this product that I'm going to use today in the description box down below. You also need Velcro just to make it secure. So guys, I'll put all the details in the description box down below just in case you're interested, but you can also get this from any textile shop. So the first step is to measure the size of your thighs. I prefer using the band itself to measure the size of your thighs instead of using a tape, because when you do this, you'll get the exact measurement, and also it will help you to know how comfortable it's going to be, because you don't want it to be too tight or too small. So this width is too small for my thighs. I need like a bigger one, so I'm going to cut another piece and then sew them together. So if you have bigger thighs, you need like three pieces, sew them together, because even for the tummy trimmer, I realized they don't have like bigger sizes. Especially if you have big thighs, you might not get your size, so you can just make it like cut like 3 or 4 pieces if you have bigger thighs, and then sew them together. I've already sewn them. You can unsew them or you can use a machine, but just make sure the stitches are tight, because you know you're going to pull it. It's elastic, you're going to pull it and stretch it, so just make sure the stitches are tight. Of course, you need 2 for the 2 thighs. So the next step is to sew the leather fabric on the elastic band. You can get this leather fabric from a drying canvas shop, and then also I'll leave an Amazon link for you on where you can get this leather fabric. For the leather fabric, I decided to measure my thighs because it's not stretchy, and my thighs is 25 inches, so I cut 25 by 7, and then now I'm going to sew it on the elastic band. So as you can see, I've already sewn the leather fabric on the band, and then I decided to just sew on the sides because I didn't want to sew in the middle. I felt like it's going to be too much work, or I might sew the leather on the band and then it reduces the size of the band, and that's what I didn't want. So I just sew on the sides, and then I went ahead and sewed the Velcro as well. So you can sew 2 Velcros or 1, whichever you want, but I prefer 2 because I can adjust it. If I feel like it's too tight, I can just like adjust it. And just like that, and you have your thigh trimmer. So guys, you can wear it like this, like on top of your outfit or on top of your leggings, or you can just wear it like attached on your skin, whichever that you prefer. You still sweat. And then also it lifts your butt just the same way as the tummy and thigh trimmer. So this is a sweatband that I made on my previous video, and it's going to act as my tummy trimmer. So guys, just like that, and you have your thigh and tummy trimmer. If you can't make it, or if you feel like it's like a long process making it, you can as well just buy it. But then the fabrics, like the material that I've used, like in some countries, are very, very cheap. Like here, the leather fabric is like $2. The one that I've used like it's $2. That is 250 shillings. And then the band, you can actually buy whichever size that you want. If you want 1 meter, you can buy 1 meter, 2 meters. They can cut for you the size that you want. So if you can't buy it, if you can't make it, you can buy it. And then if you can't buy it, you can make it yourself. And actually this tummy trimmer that I've made works the same as the tummy trimmer that I bought. Like they both make you sweat. So another thing, if you have like a corset and you don't want to make like this, the one that I've shown you how to make today, you can take the leather fabric and sew it on your corset or on your waist trainer, and it will make you sweat.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Bye bye. The thigh trimmer. So thank you for clicking the subscribe button.